Chemica, the hot stamping expert for sportswear and decorative textile transfer. Expert is not too strong a word to describe an industrial company that offers the widest range of colors and products on the plotter-cuttable heat transfer market. A company that has 85% of its turnover generated abroad and has been a hub of innovations for over 20 years. In 1995, first manufacturer to produce the 55-micron polyurethane film, the thinnest product on the market. 2006, creation of films for fashion design. 2007, creation of 3D films with carbon effect for its flex fashion range. 2011, first biosourced film. 2015, creation of DuoFlex and of on-demand films named Fashion On Demand. Chemica's greatest strength? The worldwide trust of its distributors through the product and production process quality, and through both its affiliates in Atlanta and Hong Kong. The process consists of 7 key steps, each one being of course subject to strict quality control. This pooling of expertise allows the company to adjust in the most effective way to customer demand to ensure a quality level that meets their needs. Our customers are signposting distributors, textile printing specialists, major sports brands. Chemica also keeps its pioneering spirit alive by reinvesting a large part of its profits to maintain the highest technical level for its productions. This ambitious policy also involves the acquisition of companies. Finally, it should be noted that the vast majority of the manufactured products receive the OECO-TEX label, a recognized certification which guarantees the conformity of our products with the Class 1 and Class 2 standards. Also a safety mark from a health perspective. Welcome to Chemica.